Present Perfect Continuous. Hozirgi tugallangan davomiy zamon. Strukturasi positive formga subject plus have has plus been plus verb ing plus object. Misol uchun, he has been playing football for an hour. U 1 soatdan buyon futbol o'ynayapti. Subject negative form subject plus have has plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object. Misol tuzadigan bo'lsak, he hasn't been playing football for an hour. U 1 soatdan buyon futbol o'ynamayapti. Question form have has plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object. Has he been playing football for an hour? U 1 soatdan buyon futbol o'ynayaptimi? When and where do we use it? Qachon va qayerda ishlatamiz? O'tgan zamonda boshlangan va hozir ham davom etayotgan biror bir ish harakatni ifodalash uchun ishlatamiz. I have been learning English for 15 years. Men ingliz tilini 15 yildan beri o'rganib kelyapman. She has been working at this hotel since 2023. U 2023-yildan beri shu mehmonxonada ishlayapti. Keywords, kalit so'zlari. Recently, yaqin orada. Since, ma'lum bir vaqtdan beri. Misol uchun, since 2023 desa bo'ladi. Since 2023 bo'ladi. For, ma'lum bir vaqt davomida. Since bilan for'ning farqi, since bu qachon boshlangani ma'lum bo'lishi kerak. For esa qancha muddat davom etganini ifodalaymiz. All, butun. Misol uchun, all day, butun kun davomida deyish mumkin. Present perfect continuous zamonimiz o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Agar siz shu joygacha tomosha qilgan bo'lsanglar, mana shu zamonga 5 ta gap tuzinglar positive formga.